So now Clifton right here, we look at this vent right here. If we look at it, look and see if there's some damage to it. Just see if there's some damage to it, like right here and right here. We know that wind, yep. So we know that wind could have damaged it, something hit it. Therefore, that's considered wind damage for sure. And this is your power vent. This is for the, of course, the attic circulation so that the shingles can live and be good.
I don't need to mark it?
Nope.